Today we'll be discussing how to service and maintain your Keeprite air conditioner. This guide will include error codes, troubleshooting, and repair tips. You'll get your appliance up and running again in no time. For more information, check out our website. There's a link in the description. Enjoy the video. If you're looking for help fixing your Keeprite air conditioner, look no further. Our comprehensive Keeprite air conditioner error code guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Code E1. Problem: high pressure protection of the system. Code E2. Problem: anti-freezing protection. Code E3. Problem: block or low pressure refrigerant system. Code E4. Problem: compressor exhaust high temperature protection. Code E5. Problem: AC overcurrent protection. Code E6. Problem: communication failure between indoor unit and outdoor unit. Code E8. Problem: anti-high temperature protection. Code H4. Problem: anti-high temperature protection. Code H6. Problem: no feedback of indoor fan motor. Code C5. Problem: jumper cap malfunction protection. Code LP. Problem: the indoor unit and outdoor unit don't match. Code L3. Problem: outdoor DC fan motor malfunction. Code L9. Problem: power protection. Code FO. Problem: gathering refrigerant. Code F1. Problem: indoor ambient sensor open or short circuit. Code F2. Problem: indoor tube sensor open or short circuit. Code F3. Problem: outdoor ambient sensor open or short circuit. Code F4. Problem: outdoor tube sensor open or short circuit. Code F5. Problem: exhaust sensor open or short circuit. If you're looking for help fixing your Keeprite air conditioner, look no further. Our comprehensive Keeprite air conditioner troubleshooting guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. Indoor airflow is not adequate. Check your furnace air filter to ensure it is clean and not dirty or clogged. This could be restricting airflow. Also, make certain there is a proper supply of air coming through your home's vents. Adjust all registers so they are open. If you find air not moving through all vents, there may be a block in your ductwork. A C unit is not the correct size. An AC unit that is too small will have continuous run cycles. An AC unit that is too big will have short run cycles. Both of these issues will eventually cause your HVAC system to prematurely fail. Confirm you are using a unit that is the appropriate size for the space you are cooling by contacting an HVAC professional. The outside compressor condenser unit is obstructed. Remove any brush or debris from the area surrounding the unit. A good rule of thumb is to have nothing within 24, including building walls or fences. Outside units require proper cool airflow in order to function correctly. Power to the unit is disconnected or loose. Locate the plug for the AC unit and ensure it is properly plugged into the electrical outlet. If power is not restored, check the building electrical panel to ensure a fuse has not blown, or a breaker tripped. Blown fuse or tripped breaker. Replace the fuse or reset the breaker. If the fuse blows again, or the circuit breaker retrips, leave it off. The thermostat is not set correctly. Ensure the thermostat has working batteries and is operational. Turn your thermostat to its lowest temperature setting to see if the AC unit turns on. If your unit turns on, the temperature setting was set too high on your cool setting. Set the temperature lower than the actual room temperature is showing. If your unit does not turn on, there may be an issue with either your thermostat or AC unit. Banging noise could mean a broken or loose part, potentially a connecting rod, piston pin, or crankshaft inside the air compressor has broken or come loose. Or possibly the compressor requires total replacement. Humming due to loose or unattached parts. Loose parts, electrical issues, and loose wiring can all cause humming. To avoid damaging your AC unit, turn the unit's power off. Screaming or loud whistling means a refrigerant leak or high pressure within the compressor. Immediately turn off the unit. The overflow pan has a hole or crack. Check each corner and edge of the pan for a hole or crack. These can be repaired with epoxy glue as a temporary fix. Damaged pans should be replaced. Clogged filter. A dirty filter will cause ice to form on the unit's evaporator coils. When it melts, it will drip. Replace the filter and set a reminder to change it every 1-2 months while the AC unit is in use. Plugged condensate line. A plugged line will cause water to back up and fill the overflow pan. Try using a wet, dry vacuum, or a hand pump made for clearing AC condensate lines. To suck or blow the line clear. To prevent buildup from mildew or algae, pour a little bleach down the line every 4-6 months. If you're looking for help fixing your Keeprite air conditioner, look no further. Our comprehensive Keeprite air conditioner repair guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and maybe show you how to repair your appliance. Keeprite manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair. However, if you're in need of Keeprite appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. How to replace your Keeprite air filter. How often you should replace your air filter depends on the size and location of your home as well as your specific climate. However, many experts suggest replacing filters every 2 months to maintain optimal performance. Turn off power to your Keeprite air conditioner. Remove the access panel. Locate the system's air filter. Typically these can be found near the return air duct. Remove the dirty air filter. If the filter is reusable, clean it. Otherwise, grab yourself a new air filter. Replace the cleaned or new air filter into the slot. Close the access panel and return power to the air conditioner. Do you find that your outside unit is only blowing hot air? If the compressor is operational, but the fan isn't working, the condenser fan itself is likely defective. However, if the opposite is true, the unit might need more refrigerant or have a defective compressor. If the outside fan is working fine but the blower motor isn't working, examine the blower motor for defectiveness. Additionally, you may want to check on the control board and run capacitor. Do you believe that your air conditioner isn't producing enough cool air? In this scenario, check to see if the compressor and condenser fan are both working properly. If this seems to be the case, but your home still feels uncomfortable, measure the system's temperature drop. Your air conditioner will have to run for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you can take a reading. If the measurement appears too low, the unit's refrigerant charger is likely defective. Alternatively, if the reading is much too high, then you will want to check on the blower motor, evaporator coil, and air filter. Any one of these internal components might be dirty or defective. Do you find that cool air isn't circulating properly through the floor and ceiling registers? Check on the outside unit to see if the fan is working properly. If the fan isn't performing correctly, the breaker associated with your air conditioner may be defective. However, if the breaker isn't the issue, check on your system's control board or thermostat. When to get a technician for Keeprite AC repairs. Although you may be able to effectively diagnose the source of your Keeprite air conditioner's problem, it's typically considered more advisable to contact a certified HVAC technician when it comes to performing the repair. Air conditioning systems are an expensive investment, therefore you can fully protect your investment by bringing in trained heating and cooling professionals. Additionally, many top companies will offer homeowners an extended labor warranty to ensure that their system is performing properly years after the fix. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more repair guides.